from Pink Poodle too. And we've got a parcel. Also, Billy, we've got a parcel. I don't know which who it's from. I've not even opened it. So let's open it on camera. Billy, you going to help me to do this today? Billy's helping me today. He's not gone off from the last video. He's still sitting on my lap. As for my last videos, thanks to everybody subscribing to my channel. We've got 100 now, and let's see if we can get some more. And we're going to give you a giveaway. If you want to be put in the giveaway, please put in the comments down below your name, and we will draw it next Wednesday on a live draw with my granddaughter, picking the name out of the hat. But please subscribe, otherwise please can't now. It's not fair to the other people that have done it. So I've opened this. God knows what it is. I have no idea. So let's just, oh, okay, yeah, I can see what it is now. Oh, it's very nice. It's pretty blue, and it's Lookfantastic. Let's check it out. Oh, it's a nice jewel colour. Look, it's a nice sort of like greeny, sea greeny. It was very nice, almost matched my colour of my eyes, and a nice blue. That's a very nice box. So let's open it and see what's in it, because I don't have no idea. Oh, we've got a magazine, as always, the Elle magazine, which is a good read if you like that sort of thing. And it's all like fashion models and size 10s and 6s and 0s and whatnot. And it's all about fashion, and yep. And it says a little thing in here, and it says, oh blimey, Arexia, a state of serene calmness on ongoing freedom from worry. That's a nice little quote for the new year. So let's see what's in it. Oh, you having a look? Look, Billy's having a look. Billy, you having a look? Oh, here you go, Bill. Look, he's got his tuxedo on. Do you want to see what's in it? No, he wants to look out the window. So we're going to open this, and you are going to see this before me, because I do not know what's in now. We've all got some nice green tissue paper, some nice green, and we've got the magazine on top saying what's in it, and it's got green noodles in it. So I'm going to pick one out, because I can't hold the dog and do things the same. So the first one we've got is a white tea fluid gel cleanser. Let's see what this smells like. Oh, it's got a little, it's covered, which is a really good sign, so it don't leak out everywhere. Only thing is, it can't open the bugger. Oh, now done it. Let's have a butcher's at this. We'll have a little butcher's. Let's see what happens. I think this is for getting off your makeup, maybe. It's a gel. You can see it's a little gel. And I quite like the gels for taking off my makeup, to be honest. It says mild foaming fluid gel that cleanses and refreshes without dehydrating the skin. Rub gently into wet skin and rinse off with plenty of water. Well, I'll just rub it into there. It's not too sticky. It's got a nice pleasant smell. So there's that one. Next one is, oh, Billy's gone to sleep. Oh, this is a warming ginger bath oil from Monu, and it's for all skin types. So let's smell this. Smells of ginger. It's nice. I like ginger. I can have a bath now because I've got my seat that lowers me down in the bath. So result on this, so I'll be able to use this. These are all trial sizes by the looks of it. Next we've got a tiny little thing, which is Essence Lotion Concentrate Lotion. I do not know what this is, so it's this. Smells nice. I'll read up about it in a second. So, don't know, White Essence Concentrate Lotion. Don't know what that does. And then we've got some Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. I do like this actually, this company. It always makes me, I would like the face wash. So let's have a look at this. So I'll do a little sniffle of this. Oh blimey, that's come out right away. Oops. That's come out very quickly. It's like a, so look. Oh, it goes in very quickly. Oh, it smells nice. See, I like this type of smell. It smells like all of their products, which I like. I can't explain. It's like a lemony, citrusy kind of yeah, I like that smell. So that smells really good. So that's for congested skin. So my skin shall be uncongested. And there's loads of noodles. These ribbons. These are ribbons, not paper. These are actual bit of ribbons. The material. Look. That's handy. I'll use some of this. I'll use some of this for putting in my hair. So I'm a bit strange like that. My hair's gone a bit weird today. And the last thing we've got is Spa Natural Beauty Inner Calm. Pink hair. Sorry. Pink hair and scalp mask. Intense treatment mask in condition, nourish hair and scalp. And it's pink. Well, that just goes well with pink poodle, doesn't it? I don't know. Is it pink? Let's have a look. Oh, it is pink. It is a pink. It is a... Sorry, Billy. Can you see? It's like a pale pink. Don't bark, Billy, please. It smells fine. It smells like any other sort of thing. But that's tickled me. Tickled me pink, that has. Pink poodle having a pink mask. So that was that. So let's have a quick watch of what they say about it. Find out what it is. I always get different things to other people. Balance Me Congested Scissors. Yeah, these are all none of these are full price. They're all Cause White Tea Fluid. Oh, is that Cause? Oh, Cause. Yeah, I like Cause. I like the lotions of Cause. But these are all oh, there you go. There's that one. Which one will you get? A skincare regime without toning step would be cleaning your teeth without toothpaste. So I have got the, what one have I got? The White Marble lotion for dark spots, dullness and hyperpigment skin. It will brighten and even out your skin tone and encourage renewal. After cleansing, pour a small amount into your palm, your hand and pat into your skin. And there's 3 types that you could have got. I didn't get that. Oh, I did. Oh, sorry. I missed it. Look. Look, got something else. It is a Model Co 3D primer. Now, I do like lash primers. I like the Tarte one that I use. And, yeah, I quite like that because it does seem to have an effect on my lashes. I don't really wear false lashes, as you know. Why do they do these things like this? And then you can't open the bugger. It's ridiculous. Everyone ends up biting them. Etiquette and how to open them is bite them. Don't bark, Billy. I know you're going to start barking because Daddy's gone out. Daddy's going to take the cat to the vets because he's got a bad tooth. So this is a 3D lash primer. And it's white. And it will go on before your lashes. So yeah, well that's handy. I'm well pleased about that. So this month we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. And what else does it say? It just talks about like, I don't know, all different things. Marvellous Moxie. That would be nice to have, wouldn't it? Just a Stila. Oh, I'd love to have some Stila. I cannot afford to get Stila stuff. I would love it. There's so many things that I would love and I just can't afford it. I just don't have the money for it. I don't have the money for hardly any of the things really, to be honest. But yeah, I'd love some Stila. Yeah. And I'd like some nice Morphe, which I'm going to try and get. Just really nice stuff. I like my Makeup Revolution though. And I'm interested in the new concealer that they've got out. So yeah, I'm going to try that on there. So anyway, thank you for watching today. And we will see you soon on Pink Poodle 2. If you enjoyed my video, please would you subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And yeah, just come back. If you didn't like my video, I'm sorry. I did try. I do try. I honestly do. Yes. Oh, and I want to show my makeup today is all Makeup Revolution. It's the Dance Floor Planet, and oh, my hair's gone funny. Needs redoing, me pinking up again. Yeah, so I've got my highlighter on, you know me, highlighted to the thing. So yeah, so thank you for watching, and I will see you pretty soon, hopefully, on Pink Poodle 2 with some more stuff to come. Thank you. Bye.